Example 6, if you invest $200 per month in an account that earns 8.5% compounded monthly for a period of 40 years, what will be the value of the account in 40 years? How much would you have paid into the account? And how much money did you make for doing nothing? And then lastly, that's pretty cool, huh? So let's see if that's really pretty cool or not. So here with number 6, if you invest $200 per month into an account, so let's do our Sermton thing. Sorry, folks, it's taking me just a moment here. We invest $200 per month, that's our R, into an account that earns 8.5% compounded monthly, so 0.085. And it's compounded monthly, so 12 times per year. And it's going to be for 40 years. I is R over M, N is MT. So we've got 0.085 over 12, and 12 times 40. So that's going to be 480. And we have 0.085 over 12. Let's take a look at that with the calculator. And it's going to be a repeating decimal, so I am not going to use the decimal. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a fraction. And so our formula is going to look super fun. We're going to have 1 plus I is 0.085 over 12 to the power of 480 over 0.085. And I forgot the minus 1. There we go. So thank goodness for the copy paste feature that we can do with Wolfram. Makes life much better. So there we go. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I need to go copy my formula once more. Everyone, bear with me. I'm definitely not going to be typing these by hand. And so we do have some values to put in there. Let's put them in the formula. I actually should just do this over here really quickly. There we go. So S equals 200. And so we've got 200. I is R over M, so 0.085 divided by 112. N is 480. And I again is 0.085 over 12. And I need to fix that on my formula over there. So there we go. And let's see what we end up with. This person ends up with $807,730.47. So let's get that scratched down here. Okay, sorry folks, one moment. I need to pause for just a second. Okay, so we do have $807,730.47. So just thinking through this person's situation, everyone, this person invested $200, so $4,080 a year for 40 years. Or sorry, 4,000. Let's do some quick math here to see how much they put in. $200 per month times 12 months in a year is $2,400 per year times 40 years is going to be $96,000. That's a lot. Total, and ended up with $807,730.47. They gained about, I'm just going to say about here, I'm not going to do the actual subtraction, So they gained roughly $710,000 for doing this. And so this is an interesting one, everyone, because um, to some people, $200 is a lot of money a month. To some people, $200 is not a lot of money a month. But if you are looking at what's happening here, you can see that a relatively small amount of money, like $200 a month, can grow to be extremely huge, especially over a period of like 40 years. And so if you were to start when you were 25 and be putting this money away when you were 65 and ready to retire, you would have a fund that has about 800,000 bucks in it, which is pretty awesome. Let's say, just for giggles again, everyone, that we change the time frame here from 40 years and we make it 50 years. And so the number of compounding periods would be 600. Let's see what the additional 10 years would do to this darn thing. If you kept going with for this for 50 years instead of 40, you would end up with $1.9 million. And so in the next 10 years, this fund would grow by about $1.1 million. And so a difference of 10 years as a fund gets older makes a huge, huge impact, everyone. So again, I cannot repeat this enough. If you are thinking about investing or you want to be wealthy as you get older, begin investing now, whatever age you are, even if it's just a little bit, but get after it.